Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's session on stock audit, credit audit, and legal audit. Stock audit is a procedure where the bank or its appointed auditor physically verifies the borrower's inventory and debtors to ensure that the security pledged for the loan is accurate, adequate, and correctly valued. स्टॉक ऑडिट एक प्रक्रिया है जिसमें बैंक या बैंक द्वारा नियुक्त ऑडिटर उधारकर्ता की इन्वेंट्री और डेटर्स का भौतिक सत्यापन करता है ताकि ये सुनिश्चित किया जा सके कि ऋण के लिए गिरवी रखी गई सिक्योरिटी सही, पर्याप्त और ठीक से मूल्यांकित है। Stock audits are normally carried out for working capital limits, particularly in cash credit (OD) accounts. The periodicity and loan limit for conducting stock audits vary from bank to bank. Credit audit is an independent review of a bank's loan portfolio to ensure compliance with internal policies and regulatory guidelines, improve credit quality, and mitigate potential risks. It involves examining the robustness of credit appraisals, verifying the completeness of documentation, and evaluating the effectiveness of post-disbursement monitoring. क्रेडिट ऑडिट बैंक के ऋण पोर्टफोलियो की एक स्वतंत्र समीक्षा है जिसका उद्देश्य आंतरिक नीतियों और नियामकीय दिशा निर्देशों के अनुपालन को सुनिश्चित करना, क्रेडिट गुणवत्ता में सुधार करना और संभावित जोखिमों को कम करना होता है। The purpose of credit audit is to identify risks, ensure adherence to procedures, and recommend corrective measures for any irregularities in credit accounts. It also helps assess the probability of default and suggests actions to reduce risk, thereby strengthening the bank's financial stability. Loan limit for conducting credit audits vary from bank to bank. Legal audit in a bank is a thorough examination of legal documents, loan files, and related processes to ensure full legal compliance and identify potential risks, especially those linked to assets pledged as collateral. It verifies that all loan documents are valid, enforceable, and that the borrower holds a clear and legitimate title to the collateral. Legal audit helps prevent fraud, avoid legal disputes, and reduce potential losses for the bank. Regulators such as the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) often mandate legal audits for large loan accounts to strengthen lending practices and ensure the safety and security of collateral. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.